for this video, we will be learning about the external fish morphology. First, let us define what is external fish morphology. So, it refers to the physical appearance and structure of a fish that is visible from the outside. It includes characteristics such as shape of the body, fin placement, scale patterns, coloration, mouth shape, eye size, and the presence of the features like barbels or spines. These external characteristics are used for identification, classification, and understanding the adaptations of different fish species in their aquatic environments. What are the different external parts of the fish morphology? So, the external parts of a fish includes first, fins, which this includes dorsal fins, pectoral fins, pelvic fins, anal fins, and the caudal fins. Next is the scales. Fish are covered in scales that provide protection and reduce friction as they move through the water. Third is the gills. Fish breathe through their gills, extracting oxygen from the water. Fourth is the eyes. Fish have eyes on the sides of their heads to give them a wide field of vision. Next is the mouth. Fish have different types of mouths depending on their diet, such as jaws for biting or suction mouths for sucking in foods. Next is the lateral line. This is a sensory organ that runs along the sides of a fish, helping them detecting pressure changes and movements in the water. And lastly is the upper column. This is a bony flap that covers and protects the gills of a fish. So, those are some of the main external parts of a fish that helps them survive and thrive in their aquatic environment. External parts of fish have specialized functions that help the fish survive and thrive in its aquatic environment. First is the fins. So, the parts of fins are the dorsal fin, the caudal fin, the pectoral fins, and the pelvic fins. So, the first function of dorsal fin is to help the fish maintain stability and balance in the water. The caudal fin propels the fish forward through the water. The pectoral fins aid in steering and balancing the fish, and pelvic fins assist in controlling the fish position and direction. Next will be the scales. So, the function of scales is to provide protection from the fish or to the fish from the predators and environmental factors. Next will be the gills. So, gills is responsible for extracting oxygen from the water and removing carbon dioxide. Mouth. Mouth is used for feeding and capturing prey. The shape and size of the mouth can vary based on the fish diets. Next is the eyes. The function of eyes is to help the fish see and locate food, predators, and potential mates. Next is the upper column or the gill cover. It protects the gills and assists in the process of extracting oxygen from the water. And the lateral line, the function of lateral line is to detect vibrations and changes in the water pressure, helping the fish sense its surroundings and navigate. So, those are some functions of each the external parts which plays a crucial role in fish survival, movement, and interaction with its environment. So, for the demonstration, you will be having an individual practicum demonstration in front of the class in which is you are going to identify and determine individually the external parts of the fish.